In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products from Aliexpress to Shopify. Let's get started. So as of right now, I have this Aliexpress product of this t-shirt right here that I want to import to Shopify. So what I can do is I can head over to the homepage of Shopify, and in this dashboard, we should be able to see some more settings. So in here, let's just scroll down until you can see this Add Apps option. So click on this one. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see all this right here. But what we need to click on is the scroll down and just click the Shopify App Store, and that way we should be able to just search the whole App Store that is offered by Shopify. Then from in here, just searching here for drop shipping Aliexpress. So let's try to search for that. And then it will show us some apps that we can use. So you can just choose which one we want to use. But for me, I want to use this one, which is the Sears Aliexpress drop shipping. So as you can see, this has a lot of reviews with the 5 stars. So let's click on this one. And then from in here, you should be able to see the install button. So just click on that install button. Then once you have clicked on that, it will open in here this new window that can allow you to actually integrate this specific app to your Shopify. It will ask for this question right here that means you need to grant access. Just click on install right here again. And then by doing that, you should be able to install the specific application to your Shopify. So this also allows you to automate orders, management, or anything right here. But first, you need to create an account on Bazers first. So just try to create an account for you. And then from in here, you should be able to create an account using this link that they have give you. This is because you need to integrate your actual Bazers to your Shopify, and you need to have an account in order to do that. So as you can see, I have now this, and they actually have a free plan, and they also have paid plan right here. But for this one, they also have free trial. For me, I just choose this basic free right here, since this is just a tutorial for you, but be sure to choose the plan that is right for you. So in here, you can link your suppliers. For this one, we have this Aliexpress. So you can just click on that and click on login and register to your Aliexpress account. And then from in there, once you have logged in, let's click on this login right here. And then in here, as you can see, it will open this wherein it will be asked to sign in and authorize. And in here, you should be able to put in here your actual account that you have. So if you don't have an account, you just need to go back. And then when you click on this Aliexpress right here, you just need to first click on the register instead of the login button. So they also have some more tasks, like for example, they have some more like this, which is not familiar with Aliexpress dropshipping, wherein they will put you some articles that can help you with this actual process. So in here, you can just wait for hit right here to finish the loading process, or if it is taking too long, you can also refresh this switch. So in here, it will refresh the page. And once it's been refreshed, you can click on this again and then click on register instead of logged in. And in here, you can register using Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple, as well as your email. But for me, I'll just use Google right here because it is easier. And then through doing this, we should be able to log in and create an account on Shopify or Aliexpress right here using our Google account. So for me, I'll just proceed with creating the account right here. And once it's been created, next thing we need to do is we need to make sure to look for the product that we have. So in here, we have here the product. Let me just copy the link. And then I will paste it right here. And then we should be able to go to that specific page that we have on this item, which is this one right here. So we just need to link our account right here. And as you can see, click on authorize. And once we have authorized this transaction, we should be able to access this account of ours through this way. And then in here, you just need to log in again in order to head over and import this actual product to your actual Shopify. So that's all the process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.